Hello and welcome to Powerful Parenting Prevention in 3, where we will tackle important topics in substance use prevention in 3 minutes. Here at Care and Treatment Centers, we know the best time to stop substance use is before it starts. My name is Tammy Granger, and I'm the Vice President of Education at Care and Treatment Centers Education Alliance. Did you know that parents are the #1 influence on their child's relationship with substances of abuse? Whether you discuss this regularly, had one big talk, or have not addressed it at all, messages around substance use are being received. We want to empower parents to take an active role in sending direct and indirect messages to your children, encouraging them to not allow substances of abuse to affect their brain development, emotional well-being, and to eliminate the possibility of experiencing any negative consequences that substance use can cause.
You don't have to know the latest trends in substance use or how they work. You just need to know that drugs and alcohol are not good for their physical, emotional, or mental well-being.
Talk about substance use as often as you can with your kids. Don't go for one big hour-long lecture. Instead, think of these talks as little 30-second infomercials. Look for the opportunity, the teachable moment at sporting events, during a beer commercial, or even at a family gathering. Be so predictable that they can see the talk coming from a mile away. Even if they try to avoid it, know it's because your message is already in their head.
Be better than a friend. Be their parent. Seriously, they have plenty of friends. They need someone they can always count on whose sole motive is for their well-being.
Don't give up your authority. Don't threaten to tell their teacher or their coach when they misbehave. It's disappointing you that should mean the most to them.
Consider other people's perspective on your child. Whether it's from a teacher or another parent, whether you agree or not, take it in, consider it, and find value in other people's perceptions.
Don't forget, meet the parents of your kids' friends. They'll be providing supervision and protection of your child at times.
In a world where there are millions of social media influencers, remember that you will always be your child's #1 influencer. They may never admit it, but you are. Model healthy behaviors at home. They're watching.
Parenting isn't always popular. My daughter once told me her friend's mom is so cool. She doesn't care what her daughter does. My response, would you rather have a mom who doesn't care, or would you rather have me? I'll take the eye roll as me.
You have the right to change the rules. Even if you didn't send strong messages around substances in the past, you have every right to make a change when it comes to doing what's best for your child. Let them know you learned a few things, and now you feel differently, and you're gonna make some changes.
Hopefully you found the tips just shared empowering. We know that doing the right thing can be hard. The path of least resistance may be easier. However, that sometimes means taking risks with our children's well-being. Stay strong, stay engaged. Your children will be better for it. When we know better, we do better. And now you know. Thanks for listening.